Did you know there's a moon out there with rivers of ice and secret oceans? Today we're going to learn about one of the most fascinating moons out there. Everyone knows Saturn is famous for its rings, right? But what about its secret moon, Titan? It's an alien world with methane beaches, ice volcanoes, and could life hide here? NASA's sending a space drone to find out. Ready for the craziest mission ever? Let's go! Hello, space explorers. Welcome to Kids School. Have you ever heard of Titan? It's not just any moon, it's one of the most intriguing places in our solar system. Titan is a moon that orbits the giant planet Saturn, which is famous for its stunning rings. But Titan itself is a world full of wonders. Did you know that Titan is huge? It's even bigger than the planet Mercury. Imagine a moon that's larger than a planet. But that's not even the best part. Titan has so many unique features that make it stand out. For instance, Titan has lakes and rivers, just like Earth. But there's a twist. Instead of being filled with water, these lakes and rivers are filled with liquid methane and ethane. Can you believe that? Imagine what it would be like to swim in a lake of methane. It would be a wild and slippery adventure. It would be a wild ride, unlike anything you've ever experienced on Earth. And if that wasn't cool enough, Titan also has ice volcanoes. Yes, you heard that right. Volcanoes that erupt ice. These ice volcanoes, also known as cryovolcanoes, erupt with really cold substances like water ice and ammonia. It's like a frozen explosion. Imagine a volcano erupting with ice cream. How fun and delicious would that be? Titan is a truly amazing place, and scientists are eager to learn all about it. They want to understand its mysteries and uncover its secrets. That's why NASA, the space agency, is sending a special mission to Titan. This mission is going to be groundbreaking. They're sending a drone called Dragonfly to explore this incredible moon. The Dragonfly drone will fly over Titan's surface, taking pictures and collecting data to help us understand more about this mysterious world. So, get ready for an adventure to Titan. Who knows what amazing discoveries await us on this moon like no other? Titan is a really special moon. It's one of the most intriguing celestial bodies in our solar system, orbiting Saturn and capturing the imagination of scientists and space enthusiasts alike. It's actually a lot like Earth in some ways. For instance, Titan is the only other place in our solar system known to have stable bodies of liquid on its surface. Like Earth, Titan has a thick atmosphere. This atmosphere is so dense that it creates a surface pressure 1.5 times that of Earth's, making it a unique environment to study. That means it has air, but it's not the same air we breathe. The air on Titan is a mix of gases that would be toxic to humans. Titan's atmosphere is mostly made of nitrogen, just like Earth's, but it also has a lot of methane. This methane plays a crucial role in Titan's weather system, forming clouds and even rain. And remember those methane lakes we talked about? These lakes and rivers of liquid methane and ethane are scattered across Titan's surface, creating a landscape that is both alien and familiar. Well, some scientists think that there might be tiny life forms swimming around in them. These hypothetical organisms would be very different from life on Earth, potentially using methane instead of water to sustain themselves. Can you imagine alien creatures living in methane lakes? It challenges our understanding of life and where it can exist. It would be like something out of a science fiction movie. The idea of life in such extreme conditions expands our horizons and fuels our curiosity about the universe. Titan is a lot colder than Earth, though. With surface temperatures averaging around minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit, it's an icy world. It's so cold that water on Titan freezes into ice as hard as rock. This extreme cold creates a stark, frozen landscape that is both beautiful and forbidding. But even though it's freezing, Titan is a fascinating place that could teach us a lot about our own planet and the possibility of life beyond Earth. Studying Titan helps us understand the complexities of planetary systems and the potential for life in the most unexpected places. To explore this amazing moon, NASA has built a special spacecraft called Dragonfly. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, is a world shrouded in mystery. With its thick, hazy atmosphere and surface lakes of liquid methane, it presents a unique challenge for exploration. Traditional rovers and landers wouldn't be able to navigate its diverse terrain effectively. That's where Dragonfly comes in. But Dragonfly isn't like the rockets we usually send to space. Instead of just landing in one spot, Dragonfly will be able to fly from place to place, covering much more ground and gathering a wealth of data from different locations. Dragonfly is a drone, kind of like a big, super smart helicopter. Imagine a drone the size of a car, equipped with state-of-the-art technology, designed to withstand the harsh conditions of Titan. This isn't just any drone, it's a marvel of modern engineering. It has 8 rotors that will allow it to fly through Titan's thick atmosphere. These rotors give Dragonfly the ability to hover, maneuver, and even land with precision, making it an incredibly versatile explorer. Dragonfly is packed with cool tools and instruments. It's like a flying laboratory, ready to conduct experiments and gather data from Titan's surface and atmosphere. It has cameras to take pictures and videos of Titan's surface. These high-resolution cameras will capture stunning images, giving us a close-up view of Titan's alien landscapes. It has sensors to study the air and ground. These sensors will analyze the composition of Titan's atmosphere and surface, helping scientists understand the moon's geology and climate. And it even has a drill to collect samples of Titan's dirt and rocks. By drilling into the surface, Dragonfly can gather material that might hold clues to the moon's history and the potential for life. Talk about a high-tech explorer. Dragonfly is truly at the cutting edge of space exploration technology, combining the best of drone and spacecraft design. Dragonfly is going to spend almost 3 years exploring Titan. During this time, it will travel hundreds of miles, visiting multiple sites of interest and conducting a variety of scientific investigations. It will fly from place to place, studying different parts of this mysterious moon. From the icy plains to the methane lakes, Dragonfly will provide a comprehensive survey of Titan's diverse environments. It will be like having a flying scientist on Titan. With its advanced instruments and mobility, Dragonfly will help us unlock the secrets of this fascinating moon, potentially revealing new insights about the origins of life in our solar system. Dragonfly will be the first spacecraft to fly around on another moon. Can you imagine soaring through the skies of Titan? Since Titan's gravity is weaker than Earth's, Dragonfly will be able to fly really easily. It will be like a bird, gliding through the air. As it flies, Dragonfly will take pictures and videos of everything it sees. It will send these pictures back to Earth so scientists can study them. We'll get to see amazing views of Titan's lakes, mountains, and maybe even some ice volcanoes. But Dragonfly won't just be flying around taking pictures. It will also land on the surface of Titan to get a closer look at things. That's when its other instruments will come in handy. Remember those sensors and drills we talked about? Well, they're going to help Dragonfly unlock Titan's secrets. Dragonfly sensors will study the air on Titan, sniffing out what it's made of. They will also measure the temperature and look for any signs of life. And when Dragonfly lands, it will use its drill to collect samples of Titan's dirt and rocks. These samples will be studied by scientists back on Earth. They'll be looking for clues about how Titan formed and whether it could support life. By studying Titan, scientists hope to learn more about the building blocks of life and whether they exist elsewhere in the universe. It's like being a detective, searching for clues to solve a cosmic mystery. One of the most exciting things about Titan is that it might have life. Now, we're not talking about aliens walking around on 2 legs. We're talking about tiny microscopic life forms like bacteria. Remember how Titan has methane lakes? Well, some scientists believe that these lakes could be home to very simple life forms. These life forms would be very different from life on Earth, but it would still be an amazing discovery. Finding life on Titan would mean that we're not alone in the universe. It would mean that life could exist in places we never thought possible. And that's a really cool thought. Titan is not just interesting because it might have life. It's also interesting because it's like a time machine. Scientists believe that Titan is similar to what Earth was like billions of years ago, before life as we know it evolved. By studying Titan, we can learn about the early days of our own planet. We can learn about the conditions that led to the formation of life on Earth. It's like taking a peek into Earth's baby pictures. So, even though Titan is far away, it can teach us a lot about our own planet and the origins of life itself. It's a fascinating world full of mysteries waiting to be solved. Space exploration is all about asking questions and searching for answers. And with missions like Dragonfly, we're getting closer to understanding the universe around us. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember Titan and the amazing journey that Dragonfly is on. Never stop being curious about space. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and who knows what incredible discoveries you might make one day. If you learned something from this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.